Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unnathi.P. Learn with me. Looking for a meaningful Independence Day speech? You are in the right place. Let's get started. Independence Day speech. Good morning to our respected principal, fellow teachers, dear parents and my beloved students. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you on this special occasion of our Independence Day. Today, we proudly celebrate the freedom of our great nation, India. On 50th August 1947, India became independent after a long and courageous struggle. We remember and pay tribute to great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many others who sacrificed their lives for our freedom. Independence is not only about being free from foreign rule. The independence means being responsible citizens, respecting one another, following the law, protecting our environment, and contributing positively to our society. As teachers, we have a special responsibility. We are not only teaching subjects, we are shaping the future citizens of our country. Dear students, you are the future of India. Your knowledge, discipline, honesty, and hard work will make our nation stronger and more prosperous. Let us always respect our national flag and remember the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Let us promise to keep our country clean, peaceful, united, and progressive. On this Independence Day, let us proudly say we are proud to be an Indians and we will always work for the betterment of our nation. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.